Right, guys, just a quick one. Me and the wife are trying to get a small business started. So as you can see, we've gone into resin art. We've made a Pokemon coaster. So they will be coming in cards of randomized cards. Obviously, we used Survivor just for a quick one. Also key rings as well. Got a little puzzle piece. We've also got one of these. What looks like a raindrop, teardrop sort of thing. As you can see, the hole at the top there, it can be made into a keychain. Got a lovely little oval shape here as well. We got all kind of different glitters, as you can see. And the other week we also did make some dominoes. So we got lots of plans in the works, like i.e., bookmarkers, chess pieces, phone holders, and anything like that. But yeah, guys, if you could just do me a favour, hit the follow button for more info within the future announcement and updates. Also, like the video, and if you want to share it amongst your friends, your parents, whoever you think may be interested in this, then yeah, give it a send on over to them. But yeah, anyways, guys, thanks for listening to me talk, and I'll keep you posted with any more future updates. Cheers. Bye-bye.